is the little blue baby that's playing. That's still available. She's playing with that little pink shoe. She or he. Trying to see if I can get it on video. I'm afraid though, if I open up the door, maybe if I do it really, really slow, I'll be able to see better. So beautiful. I love this tall cage. Ignore the laughter in the background. The green one is, there's yours, Randy. And up there is yours, Sylvia. And this little one, oh, just love them. So beautiful. Play, play, play. Randy will be here very soon to get her little one. Now, take a little drink of water. Was playing with the bell too, but that couldn't stop. Oh. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. You leaving here today, baby. Gonna miss you. Yeah. And tomorrow, I think Sylvia's coming for the other one. Yeah. Sylvia, your baby likes to be on that swing right there. A lot. And there will be more beautiful colors from Blue Boy, who is even bluer than the bluest, and Serafina. One is spoken for, and the rest are available as of this moment that I'm filming this. So there you go. Little peek at the babies all together before they leave. And they start going to their new places. Hey baby, can I see your face? You gonna show me your face? And he's like, no, no. Ooh, Fluffy. Fluffy. Oh, Randy. Haven't met. Oh, no, this one's playing with the little shoestring. KikuandHoshiDumont on the Facebook. I do ship, and I have all different kinds of species, and I hand feed. Thanks for watching, and tweet tweet.